Hello everyone, this is my review of this dash cam for your car. It comes with two windshield guards to keep the adhesive off your windshield from the camera, power cord, and sticky hooks so you can secure your cord around your windshield and down to your cigarette lighter because it uses cigarette lighter to power it. It's pretty easy to install. Just put on your windshield guard there first. Then just peel off the adhesive in the back of the camera and stick it onto that guard there. Then run your cord all the way down to the cigarette lighter, securing it with those sticky hooks, which is pretty simple. If you do get this camera, make sure you get a micro SD card for it as well, because it needs it. But you can hook it up to Wi-Fi with your phone, and you can view the camera through your phone to see what it does and control it and record and different things. The camera has a number of different features that you can access with your phone, like night vision and switching the camera modes. So this is a pretty good camera, and I hope this review helps.